When you have a credible, hindi lang any online presence you have a credible presence online, they trust you as the source of the product of the service. Para lang yung ginagawa nyo, di ba, first time you have a product or service, sino una mong pinasample? Nanay mo, tatay mo, kapatid mo, kamag-anak. Kasi hindi sila umangal, di ba? Kasi they trust you, na hindi mo sila ipapahama. Parang, ano binibigay mo sa akin? Skin product, anak. Try mo. Hindi sila aangal kasi they trust you. So that kind of trust level, you extend to the rest of the world by leveraging yourself as a trustworthy brand. Trust is your greatest asset. Build it, nurture it, amplify it through your online presence.